Had a whole top diamond in the bottom rose gold.
Yo, we about to start an epidemic with this one. Yeah, I know what this is.
Yeah. Got 30 down at the bottom, 30 more at the top. All invisible set and little ice cube blocks. If I could call it a drink, call it a smile on the rocks. If I could call out a price, let's say I call out a lot. I got like platinum and white gold, traditional gold. I'm changing grills every day, like Jay changed clothes. I might be grilled out nicely in my white tee on South Beach. In my wife beat, VVS studded. You can tell when they cut it. You see, my grandmama hate it, but my little mama love it. Cause when I
open up your mouth, your grill gleaming. I stay low from the chiefin'.
I got a grill I call penny candy. You know what that mean? It look like nah later. Some drops, jelly beans. I wouldn't leave it for nothing. Only a crazy man would. So if you catch me in your city, somewhere out in your hood, just say
smile for me, daddy.
What you looking at? Come on.
Let me see your grill.
And let me see my what?
Your grill. Your grill.
Rob the jewelry store and tell them make me a grill. She said,
smile for me, daddy.
What you looking at?
I wanna see your grill.
You wanna see my what?
Your grill. Your grill.
had a whole top diamond in the bottom rose gold.
What it do, baby? It's the Iceman Power Wow. I got my mouth looking something like a disco ball. I got the diamonds in the ice all hand set. I might cause a cold front if I take a deep breath. My teeth gleaming like I'm chewing on aluminum foil. Smiling, showing off my diamonds, sipping on some potent oil. I put my money where my mouth is and bought a grill. 20 kids, 30 stacks, let them know I'm so for real. My motivation is them 30 pointers, BVS, the furniture in my mouthpiece simply symbolize success. I got the wrist wear and neck wear that's captivating, but it's my smile that got these on looking spectating. My mouthpiece simply certified, a total package. Open up my mouth and you see more kids than a salad. My teeth are mind blowing, giving everybody chills. Call me George Foreman, cause I'm selling everybody grills.
Smile for me, daddy.
What you looking at?
Let me see your grill.
Let you see my what?
Your grill. Your grill.
Rob the jewelry store and tell them make me a grill. She said,
smile for me, daddy.
What you looking at?
I wanna see your grill.
You wanna see my what?
Your grill. Your grill.
had a whole top diamond in the bottom rose gold.
Yep, got them yellows, got them purples, got them reds. Life's gon' hit it, make you woozy in your head. You can catch me in my too short drop. Mouth got colors like a fruit.
This what it do when the Lou Ice Grill, country grammar, where the hustlers move bricks and the gangsters bang hammers. Where I got them, you can spot them on the top and the bottom. Got a bill in my mouth like I'm Hillary Rodham.
I ain't dissing nobody, but let's bring it to the light. Gill was the first with my mouth bright white. These hoes can't focus cause their eyesight blurry. Tipping on some O's, you can see my mouth
I
jury.
got 4 different sets, it's a fabulous thing. One white, one yellow like fabulous chain. And the other set is same, got my name in the mold.
Had
And
a whole top diamond in the bottom rose gold.
Smile for me, daddy.
What you looking at?
Let me see your grill.
Let you see my what?
Your grill. Your grill.
Rob the jewelry store and tell them make me a grill. She said,
Smile for me, daddy.
What you looking at?
I wanna see your grill.
You wanna see my what?
Your grill. Your grill.
had a whole top diamond in the bottom rose
Sing
gold.
to me.
Boy, how'd you get your grill that way? And how much did you pay? Every time I see you, the first thing I won't say, hey, smile for me, daddy.
What you looking at?
Let me see your grill.
Let you see my what?
Your grill. Your grill.
Rob the jewelry store and tell